आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है आज मौसम. It's indeed a very suhana mausam out here. This is my neighborhood park, my daily dose of oxygen early in the morning. This is where I come from my morning walk and jog. And I thought this would be an appropriate place where I could discuss the ICSE biology paper, the syllabus, and how to prepare for the ICSE semester 1 board examination for biology, since mostly you have botany chapters as part of the semester 1 syllabus. So this is a video specifically for students of ICSE class 10 on how they should prepare for biology in the last 1 week and also the days before the examination. And I've taken points for this video from our biology faculty, Smita ma'am. Now, there would be two category of students. One, of course, students who are prepared well and they just have to do the last minute revision, right? There would be the second category of students who are grossly underprepared, who haven't studied most of genetics, absorption by roots, transpiration, photosynthesis, all the chapters that are part of your syllabus. Now, for the second category of students, I would strongly suggest and recommend Smita ma'am's classes as part of the Biomagic course on Study with Sudhir app. The link is in the description box. There are, I think, some 18 to 19 videos uploaded there. You listen to them, look at her notes, solve her quiz questions, also look at the MCQs in another course, and you will be 100% prepared for a 40 on 40. That's a guarantee. Okay. Uh, Proof of the quality of the course, of course, is in the kind of testimonials we get from students. So look at something like this, for instance, and we feel very happy when we end up giving a lot of happiness and pride to parents of the students who are subscribed to our courses on the Study with Sudhir app. Now, for those of you who are studying by yourself, here are some important tips. So please listen to this carefully. Focus on word meanings and definitions. Okay, focus on them. For example, understand the difference between, say, chromosomes and chromatids, right? You need to know the nuances of each and every term which is part of your semester 1 syllabus. Follow only the textbook that is prescribed by your school. This is not the time, as I said in an earlier video, do not try to kind of buy new textbooks at this point in time and get confused. This is not really the time to try out new things. Point number 3, do not panic. And this is linked to point number 2. Do not panic if someone says that, oh, your textbook does not have all this, my textbook has all this. That's the textbook from where the examination paper will be prepared. Do not panic. Um, your textbook will have stuff which perhaps other textbooks don't have. So it's always an 19-20 ka farak, right? And council does not generally ask selective questions only from one textbook. They are also aware about how each textbook is framed. Okay, so they would not try to give advantage only to students who have studied from a particular textbook. Okay, um, it's better to master your book instead of trying to be ordinary in another book. And there's a point linked to MCQs, and I'll come to that later when we discuss the MCQs. Point number 4, ensure that you focus on definitions, also location based, function based, and structure based questions. Important. Now, a common point, irrespective of whether you are kind of well prepared or poorly prepared, spend time doing MCQs in the last 1 week. That is the time between now and, say, Saturday. Sunday, I presume you will spend preparing for your first examination on the 28th of November is you're going to be a day of preparation for the English paper. So between now and Saturday, try doing as many MCQs as possible. And here again, Smita ma'am's MCQs, 11 papers, extremely exhaustive. Um, Whatever questions you will get, it will be from there in perhaps the same language or a different language. So that is excellent preparation for you as far as semester 1 MCQs are concerned. So please take advantage of that on the Study with Sudhir app. Okay, I strongly recommend that. When you're solving the MCQs, make sure you time yourself. On the test module, you will be able to time yourself. That's another advantage of doing it on the test module. The questions that you get wrong, ensure that the next day you take a look at it again. Okay, don't say, okay, galat ho gaya, this is the answer, fine. Revise it the next day. That's very important. Okay, I'm seeing some lovely butterflies out there. Um, The weightage for each of the 5 chapters is likely to be more or less the same. For instance, 6 to 8 marks for cell division, genetics, transpiration, photosynthesis, and absorption of roots could go for anywhere between 8 to 10 marks. Look at the diagrams carefully, understand the diagrams. Okay, this is important. Last point as far as the MCQs is concerned is that whatever MCQs you feel is not part of your textbook, understand them better so that you are covered not just vis-a-vis your own textbook, you're also covered for things outside your textbook. That's another way of looking at the MCQs and approaching the MCQs. Okay, now last couple of points. Do not complicate concepts. Okay, don't get muddled up in the head and don't try to complicate things in your head. Keep it simple and do not unnecessarily. There is a tendency among some students to go in for a higher degree and higher standard of questions. You don't really need to do that right now. Focus on what is the syllabus, what is there as part of the syllabus prescribed by the council, and focus on all the questions that can come within that syllabus, the boundary of the syllabus. Focus on concepts, understand them as I said earlier. And last point, the day before the examination, revise your textbook, revise the notes. If you have your own notes, or if you're part of the Study with Sudhir Biomagic course, revise the notes given by Smita ma'am. Don't try to do MCQs on the last day. The last 24 hours, don't try to do MCQs at all. MCQ should be done between today and Saturday. Last day before the examination, the 24 hours before the examination, don't try to do any MCQs. A good suggestion would be to listen to the videos of Smita ma'am. You can do that, whatever portion you think you need a bit more revision in, and that will serve as a good revision, just listening to all that, because it help you freshen up your concepts. So these are the tips as far as ICSE biology is concerned. Last minute tips, but tips that are going to be extremely beneficial if you follow them to the T. All the best to you. Thank you very much. All the best.